Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Feeling a little under the weather? This chicken and corn soup will come to your rescue. A classic Chinese soup that can easily be made at home in under 30 minutes. It's healthy, hearty, and just as tasty. First, we're going to make a simple soup base. We need 1 liter or 4 cups of salt-reduced chicken stock. Straight into the saucepan it goes. I'm also pouring 500 milliliters. That is 2 cups of water. Bring the stock to a simmer over medium heat. Meanwhile, let's shred some leftover chicken. I have here 200 grams of skinless rotisserie chicken. Any plain leftover chicken will work great. You could also poach your own to add to the soup. This soup is a little more chunky compared to the ones we get in restaurants, so I'll be using 2 kinds of tin corn in my soup. Let's drain a 420-gram tin of corn kernels before adding it into the soup. We also need a 420-gram tin of creamed corn, which is just partially blended corn with added thickeners. Finally, grate or mince 2 teaspoons of ginger. If you have a little one, you may want to reduce the ginger to 1 teaspoon, as it can be quite strong tasting. Funny because my 5-year-old doesn't mind loads of ginger in his cookies. Turmeric is a great way to naturally add vibrant color to the soup. It also adds a pleasant curry-like flavor and has loads of health benefits. We also need some chicken powder or a chicken stock cube. Thinly sliced 2 spring onions for garnish and for mixing into the soup. The stock's simmering nicely, so it's time to add the ingredients. Place in the corn kernels and the creamed corn. Throw in the stems of the spring onions, the ginger, and 1 large clove of minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy or regular soy sauce, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and a teaspoon of chicken powder. Give it a stir. Let the stock come to a boil. Then simmer for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the slurry to thicken the soup. Mix 1/4 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. Did you hear caviar? He's my needy kitty. We also need 2 large eggs, just lightly beaten. The soup should be simmering nicely. Give the slurry a quick stir, then slowly add it into the soup. While stirring, the soup should slightly thicken. Let's remove the stems. I should have done that before mixing in the slurry, but forgot to do so. In goes the shredded chicken. It's all coming together. Smells and looks fantastic. Return the soup to a simmer. It should bubble gently. This part can be a little intimidating, but fun. Let's do some egg ribbons. Drizzle in the egg, slowly stirring in a circular motion. You'll soon see beautiful egg ribbons float to the top. The soup is just about ready, so let's add 2 teaspoons of roasted sesame oil. Very aromatic. I just love that smell. All done and ready to serve. Such a simple soup. Mix in the spring onions or use them as garnish. Visit me at 3catsfoodie.com you'll find a written recipe with a clear, step-by-step guide and tips. I have also converted the cooking measurements, so it's user-friendly. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.